Hi guys, let's prepare chocolate coffee bread pudding. The recipe consists of 2 sliced bread square chunks, then add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of coffee and half cup of milk and then blend it. Take a pan and pour this blended mixture. Then add 1 tablespoon of gelatin. Cook it on a medium flame. Stir it continuously till it gets a thick consistency. Then cool it at room temperature. Grease the container with butter and then transfer pudding mixture into it and freeze it for 4 hours. Demold it and sprinkle cocoa powder and then decorate it with small chocolate balls and jelly teddy bears. This chocolate coffee bread pudding has no comparison with the regular bread pudding recipe we come across. This pudding recipe is rich, loaded with chocolate, with a light flavor of coffee and bread texture. It has a buttery feel, also full of chocolatey flavors. If you like this recipe, then comment below, like, share with your friends and subscribe for more yummy recipes.